it feels weird to vlog when you haven't vlogged in quite some time. I want to update you on a lot that has happened. Something so weird that happened last week to us. It was quite exhausting, but we're finally home, which is, you know, extremely exciting. Hey, not bad. Look at this. I mean, it's supposed to be a heart. Alright, so let me have this coffee with you because I want to tell you why I got the iPad mini again. Why? Well, I'll tell you later on this video why, but yeah, I love this thing. Starting a day with an iPad unboxing is the way to go. I decided to get the space gray to match my iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah. This size is truly something else. Oh, I've actually never showed you this. Look at this. So in my like equipment area thing, look at this. There we go. Last week was quite a bad week for us. Something like just weird happens and it only happened to us. I don't know if you can see that on the top over here. I don't know if you can see this right here. We had an explosion of a tomato soup. I know, extremely weird. I don't want to show the brand out there, but we bought like this tomato soup and we tried it and it was bad. It was like 2 days bad, but we bought it already bad. We left it at the table, like right here, to return it to the store, and the next day it just exploded. Tomato soup. I mean, I'm showing you the video right now. We have to repaint the entire walls. The couch is all messed up. I don't know if you can see that up behind us, but all the clothes, like, it was all so incredibly bad. Like, I don't know if you can see, there's no curtains right now because we have to clean them right now. That's why my HomeKit curtain drivers from Akara are sitting here right now. Yeah, a mess, a mess. Apparently it is very hot today, so ready? Thank you, Jordi, Xavi, Athletic Affair, on running for gifting these to me. But since they gave these to me, I think I have to start actually running and working out, right? So yeah, as you can see right now in my Apple Watch notification, I did sign up for my driving school classes. Now, Nikias, didn't you already sign up? Weren't you already on your driving license? Well, yeah, but since I moved city, my other classes were like in a different city. I hated that school. That's why I never was really into it, because the teacher, hope she doesn't watch these videos, but I just didn't like the way that she was teaching me. And so I signed up right here, right next to my home, and I gotta say, it's like a whole different story. Like, I'm so happy that I'm there and I'm motivated and I just want to get my driving license. Hola. I just got a text message saying that my teacher is sick right now, so I'm going back home. They did give us, you know, some work to just do at home. Man, I was excited to take notes on my iPad today. So I want to show you like how my studio is looking, because I've done so many upgrades that I want to show you. There's still a lot more things to do. I want to make everything HomeKit, and all these cables will be fixed soon. But what's pretty cool is, you know, this is the studio display, which is connected to my MacBook Pro with one single cable that goes through here and then goes straight to this Cal Digit. And this Cal Digit is connected to my MacBook Pro, to the Rodecaster. There's also a cable that goes through there, and also has a USB-C port and an HDMI port. So whenever I'm filming, I just put my camera here. I connect the HDMI so I know what my camera is seeing. So the studio display actually serves as like a monitor. This is the problem that I see with me not vlogging like almost daily, is that whenever I do vlog like weekly, there's so much that I want to tell you that it's like, also, my Apple Pencil isn't working. which is weird. I think it's because my tip is like completely broken. Jenny just got rid of all the sofa casing, I think it's called in English, because the explosion actually, you know, it was everywhere. It was even in the couch, which was horrible. So I let him know, gotta let him know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for. And if it's oh! No, it's different. I thought it was something else, but it's actually more exciting than I thought. Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style. So something must be up keeping you down. Look at this box. Spatial you audio. That must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to supposedly it's better sounding quality than the actual HomePod. I'm super excited. I mean, just because of that, I'm excited, and it does have spatial audio. Okay, this is going to be my first reaction with the Sonos Era 300. I've never actually listened to it. First time. It's paired. Ready? 3, 2, 1. If we compare it, like my first impressions raw, it's absurd how loud it gets, how crisp it gets. Like it gets so loud, and spatial audio is noticeable in a speaker with only one. It's well, don't look at this because, you know, I just connected it, but yeah, I've got 2 HomePods right now. Stereo, I don't know where I'm gonna put this guy. I've got like HomePod minis all over the place. Also, under the fish tank, I've also added the Sonos Ray. So when I'm watching a movie, there's sound coming from literally the floor. So honestly, I don't even know where to put this guy. You want to see the reality of being a tech YouTuber and getting so many boxes every single day? This. Boxes, packages, more packages, more packages. They just keep coming every day. And if you don't throw them for a couple days, they pile up. And she gets angry. Alright, we're finally throwing away some packages because we couldn't even walk through the hallway.
Ayúdame.
Got some filming done that I needed to finish. Transferring all the footage to Robert for him to edit. In 5 minutes, I'm entering the YouTube Accelerator program that I'm in from Patty Galloway. I don't know if you know who he is, but he's worked with Mr. Beast, Jesser, one of the biggest creators in the platform. Video. Let's get your question. We're gonna take the tomato couch, deep cleaning, and a coffee break. You wanna know a fun fact? My sister, the other day, called the lemon home the tomato home, since now the whole apartment is filled with tomato. We're on our way to Hidden Coffee, which is our favorite coffee shop here in Girona. And guess what they did to me last week? They did it like an actual Apple coffee, the same one that they do at actual Apple campus. They did it perfectly, so hopefully today they can do it again and I can show you. So the barista that always makes my apple coffee is not here today, so sadly we will not be having apple coffee. Alright, so why have I gotten the iPad mini? Well, I've told you so many times, the iPad mini is my favorite iPad of all time, mainly because of this. I can just
hold it with the palm of my hand. It's by far a different experience than like an iPhone 14 Pro Max. It just feels like an iPad, but it's just so compact that you want to take it everywhere. And by far, just having the Apple Pencil and just taking notes in this tiny little device that you can take anywhere, and it even fits in certain jackets of mine. That is why I love this thing so much. Multitasking. It is a very small screen, but that's not a bad thing in most cases. Before you ask, no, I haven't fixed my Apple Pencil. This is from Penovo. Great pencil. It works just like the Apple Pencil. It doesn't have all the features, but it packs most of the features that the Apple Pencil does have for very reasonable price, and you charge it via USB-C, and it snaps to the side of your iPad, just like your standard Apple Pencil.
The longer I've waited, the more that I've tried.
I gotta say, by far what I missed and what I love the most about the iPad mini is how enjoyable the reading experience actually is. There's something like, it's like a Kindle on how small and that you can hold it, with the palm of your hand. There's just something quite unique about the iPad mini for reading. It feels like a Kindle. I think this right here is why I love the iPad mini so much. There's something about reading with this size and with this weight. It's so small and so lightweight that it kind of feels like a Kindle in some form. Set a timer for 8 minutes. So who do I recommend the iPad mini for? Honestly, it's only for those people that want a small iPad. And something that I haven't even mentioned is the iPad mini for traveling specifically. You know that the iPad mini is meant for you once you go traveling with it. Once you're sitting on the airplane, just watching a movie and seeing that size is perfect, at least for traveling. I actually made a video about the iPad mini while traveling.
Eases my soul, I let it all go out the window, no smoke in my eyes.
Alright, so Chenny is a big Harry Potter fan. I watched them when I was little, but I've always wanted to rewatch them, but the problem is whenever I get addicted to something like movies or something, I want to collect like figures, so I didn't want to watch Harry Potter because if not I would want the Funko Pops from Harry Potter and all of that. We're on to the last one now. It's super exciting, and I already want the Harry Potter Funko Pop, so it's kind of a problem.